Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce recruitment costs with LinkedIn step by step clearly. Start by defining your ideal candidate profile clearly. Use LinkedIn's advanced search filters to narrow down your search effectively. Select the right keywords that match the skills and experience you seek. Leverage Boolean search techniques to enhance your search results. Connect with industry groups related to your field to expand your network. Participate in discussions within these groups to raise your profile. Utilize LinkedIn's Recruiter Lite or Talent Solutions tools for more comprehensive options. Optimize your company page to attract potential candidates with a clear value proposition. Post engaging content that showcases your company culture and job openings. Encourage your current employees to share job postings within their networks. Monitor candidate engagement and interactions to gain insights on interest levels. Use LinkedIn's in-mail feature to reach out directly to passive candidates. Craft personalized messages to increase response rates from potential hires. Track your outreach efforts to identify which strategies yield the best results. Host virtual meetups or webinars to attract and engage top talent effectively. Evaluate your recruitment pipeline regularly to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and data collected throughout the process. Continue refining your approach to reduce costs while attracting quality candidates. By following these steps, you can effectively lower recruitment costs while leveraging LinkedIn's extensive database of professionals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.